Abo, Hachiko! Ready for shooting? Wow, Hachi, you wanna listen to your fable? The Fox and the Crow by Hachiko. Hachi. You listen, you face here. A crow once spied a piece of cheese on the ground. She swooped down and picked it up in her beak. Then she flew to a nearby tree where she settled on a branch. A fox was lurking in some bushes nearby and saw what she had done. He licked his lips at the thought of the delicious cheese. The fox strolled up to the foot of the tree and cried, "Mistress Crow, how well you look today! How glossy your feathers! How bright your eyes! I'm sure your voice must be just as beautiful. Sing for me, please, so I can tell everyone that you are the queen of birds." The crow was thrilled by these words. She lifted her head and began to caw, and the cheese fell to the ground. The fox pounced on it at once, snapping it up in his jaws. "That was all I wanted," he said. "In exchange for your cheese, I will give you a piece of advice. When people pay you compliments, they may not be telling the truth. Do not trust flatterers." Okay, Achi? Bye-bye, viewers. See you in the next vlog. Hachiko, baby. Hachiko. Bye-bye.